Welcome to Sunworld Ba Na Hills.
Welcome to Ba Na Hills. We're at Sunworld today.
Cost about $1 million to enter, and it's a massive theme park, but one of the main attractions of the park is the Golden Bridge, which is on the top 10 places in the world to visit.
Unfortunately, there isn't a way to view the Golden Bridge without actually going into the amusement park itself, which is why we took the opportunity to explore today.
If you've been around our channel long enough, you know that we've done quite a few cable cars. We did the steepest one in the Southern Hemisphere in Queenstown, did one in Rotorua, and now I'm about to do the longest cable car in the world. You will also know I am not a fan of cable cars.
Sunworld is divided into several areas, such as the French Village, Medieval Fair, the Golden Bridge area, and Fantasy Park. The Fantasy Park included different rides as well as a few dinosaurs. We visited as many as we could during our time in the park.
We each received a beer coupon included with our entry ticket to use at the on-site brewery. Definitely appreciated on a hot day. Cheers!
So having lived in Germany for 2 years, I think I'm a bit of an expert when it comes to sausages. This is a Ba Na special. Good, not great. Walking is better than cable cars. See? I'm right.
Unfortunately, walking won't get us to our next attraction, so another fun-filled cable car journey it is.
Golden Bridge was opened to the public in July 2018 and has become one of the most visited and Instagrammed sites in Vietnam. It is busy most times of the day, so expect the crowds, but the views from the bridge are amazing.